Welcome to Ozum Linux once again. Today, we are going to show you how to install Linux Mint Debian Edition on an MBR partitioning. Just follow what we do and you won't get lost. You will surely get a working Linux machine. Click on the Linux Mint logo and type gparted. On the top bar, select Device. Let us create partition table. In this case, we choose MS-DOS. This is also known as MBR. 4 GB of the swap partition is enough for this machine. 40 GB of the root partition is also enough. Extension 4 is the default Linux file system. You can also choose BTRFS. For the rest, we are going to assign to our home partition. These 3 partitions are enough for the MBR disk. Go for the check mark to apply the changes. Let's close this up. Now we are ready to install Linux Mint. Installing Linux Mint is easy as you go. For this part, let us choose Manual Partitioning option. Linux Mint has been the #1 distro for a while now on DistroWatch. For those who are coming from Windows, Linux Mint is the most recommended distro out there. The out-of-the-box experience is almost similar and familiar to the user coming from Windows. The installation is now complete. Hit Yes to reboot the system. Congratulations! You successfully installed Linux Mint Debian Edition.